Hi everybody and welcome to this video. Today we are going to make this ring. Make a new document, millimeters. Go to circle, click anywhere, diameter 22. Make a pipe, diameter 1.5. New layer, green color, check. Line from midpoint 7.5. Once again, from midpoint 5, make an ellipse from midpoint to this point. In other layer, make a circle, click in this quad, diameter 2. Make another circle, concentric, diameter 3. Once again, diameter 4. Select these curves and copy. Select these curves and mirror. We are going to import two stones. You can find them on Google. Scale and move it. Scale this stone too. Select these curves and planar. Extrude 1 unit. Select these objects and copy from center to center. Select this vector and make an offset. Through points, select this and extrude close planar curve. 2 units. Make a cylinder. First click, 0.8 and 1.5. Fillet edge. Select and copy like me. Select all these elements and mirror. Select and copy like this. Select these elements and copy from center to center. Move this pipe and rotate. Make a mirror. And that's it! We have modeled a ring. If you want to render this piece, watch next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.